All right, guys, so we finally got it all poured. Man, that's a lot of epoxy. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Good View Woodworks channel. My name is Nathan, and in this video, we're gonna be pouring 25 gallons of epoxy. It is crazy. Now, I say 25, but we used about 4.5 to do the first color pour, which you saw in the last video, which of like the 4 color blues or 3 color blues. In this one, we're gonna be filling up the rest of the void with the remainder of the epoxy, which is about 19.5 gallons, okay? Okay, so now it's nice and hard. We have all of our swirls and colors in there. It actually looks like water, which is really cool. We're gonna just scuff sand it just a little bit for some mechanical adhesion. Now, it will still leave a fingerprint. It's not fully, a fingernail mark. It's not fully set up, fully hard, but it's almost there, so we'll have to scuff sand it. But then we're about to pour 20 gallons of epoxy. It's gonna be ridiculous and epic and all of the other things. Justin is gonna help me. He's on the camera today. And he's gonna help pour. We're going to pour from both sides. I'll get some pretty cool shots of it. But what we're gonna be using is peacock blue. It looks a little bit green, but it's just a blue-green mixture. We want that like translucent clear, but with a slight tint of blue-green. I think it'll look very pretty, and I'll use that to fill it the rest of the way up. Now, because we're gonna go, it's probably another 1.25 inches that we're gonna have to fill up here. I'm gonna have to take an AC window unit and put it on here and cool it so it doesn't heat up too quick. As a matter of fact, right here is probably almost 1.5 inches there. But we're gonna try to fill it all the way up to the top. Check this weird thing out though, look. Look what came out of the slab.
It's a grub.
It's, yeah, and a spider. Gross. Nasty.
Don't judge their relationship.
All right, let's get to unboxing these gallons of epoxy. Start mixing and pouring. It's 18 gallons right there. I was a little off on my 20, but I forgot we used some there in the other one. So we used about 5 gallons. 18, I have some left over, so hopefully this is enough. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, okay. Get right here too. Yeah, I think that's good.
Let's go swimming.
All right, guys, so we finally got it all poured. Man, that's a lot of epoxy, but look how pretty it looks. Looks so awesome. This white oak is super, super duper pretty. But we're gonna leave it there. We're gonna let it set up. It's gonna take a couple days. We got our AC unit blowing over the top of the epoxy. Let's hope and pray that it does not crack and doesn't do all that stuff. So Lord willing, it will not. All the materials and stuff I'm gonna link down in the description so you guys can go get it, okay? Don't be intimidated by a big project, because just with a little know-how, you can do this too, all right? So guys, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for hanging out with us. If you want to see updates early or before I upload a video, go check out my Instagram at Goodview Woodworks. Also go over to the Facebook community group, which is Goodview Woodworks Community Group on Facebook, and go sign up there. And that way you guys can also share your projects and get some feedback as well. And people can answer questions that sometimes I don't answer or I can't get to. It's a really good community, so go check it out. All right, so now it's time to bust this thing out of the form. I want you to look at it, see how awesome it looks. Okay, nice and solid. The swirl stayed super beautiful. You see some places where it's soaked in. Look at that burl. It's pretty. Got some more burl right there. This was all really soft, so it kind of, that casting epoxy really did stabilize this stuff, made it nice and hard. Now we may have to use some more casting epoxy to stabilize all this. But dude, it looks so awesome. I like the lagoons, probably one of my favorite parts. All right, so let's bust this thing out of the form. What do you say?
Okay, right out the gate, don't you question my faith, better question these snakes. I say what I mean, and I do what I say. Won't sit and complain about making a change. Not equal to dollars, but it's one and the same. My point and my aim, about changing the game. Talking, leaving a mark, won't remember my name. Found freedom from shame, found love from the pain. Now I'm clean from the stains. Not to say it'll never be a mess again. I let it see a black president. If you don't try, how you gon' win? Even through the L's, gotta hold your head. Yeah, and it bees like that. Goodview Woodworks, getting custom with the craft. Got my angle switching dimensions, I'm different with the math. This that DIY flow, in case you need a helping hand.
One of the best things that I've had, that I've used that works really well, is I went and got this used AC unit, and when I poured this huge mass, 20 gallons, 25 gallons, I put the AC unit on this to cool it down so I didn't have any bubbles. And if you look, there's no bubbles, no micro bubbles. So we have some on the surface, like that, but nothing down deep in there. So great tip is to have an AC unit. Now you can find some cheap AC units for used ones on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist or whatever. So I'd recommend doing that. Look at that. looks gorgeous. Yeah, go.
Is it? Oh wow, it snapped the board.
Did it?
Yeah.
Right at that joint, I'm sure.
No, it's right before it.
Hi, dude.
Wow.
I told you. Here, see that board right there where you're standing on your foot? Use that to pry up. That's what I was doing.
How far is this thing?
All right, hold on, right there.
Oh, hit the bucket.
Oh.
Hold on.
That's all the way up. It's all the way up.
It's off? Oh. Dude,
Yeah.
That is heavy. I didn't get the full grasp of it when you were over here, but. Phew.
All right, hold on. Here. Let's get that one over here. We'll pick it up towards the camera. It's already overhanging, so.
Oh, so you want to just pick it up?
Yeah, put that other board, how you have that one. Alright, that's good. You want to tip it up.
You're looking at the foot.
Ready, keep going. Alright, I'm gonna hold it right here. You wanna grab the camera? I got it. Come on, let's look at the bottom. Look at that, isn't that sweet looking? See, I'm gonna leave it like this. I'll just sand this part.
Yeah, hand sand it.
All right, so now I got it. You just want to record me?
Yeah, I'm good.
I won't. I was just leaning it forward on myself. I wasn't letting it go. All right, so we're gonna take this bad boy from here. We're gonna go over to my friend Corey's place. Remember the last time we had him playing it down? We're gonna have him playing this one down and the black cherry computer desk. We're playing that one down as well. And well, he said that he's actually gonna hook us up and he's gonna sand it in his huge belt sander. So we'll be able to run both of these through there. I'm gonna get you some good video from that. Why don't you put that one on? Oh, did?
Yeah, I got some cool shots.
No, it didn't.
Oh.
It saves battery.
So that can be cut out.
You're good. You're good.
Check where the fork is lining up with the.
Okay. All right, good. Sweet. This is 49 inches wide.
Old pickup trucks are great to use and all stuff.
Yeah. All right.
Okay, you're not going to get interfered with the 2x4 and the fork, are you?
Guys, it's gonna end this video right here. Be sure to check out the next video because we're actually gonna show you step by step how to finish a table like this. So obviously I have a form now, has to be some other steps to make this into a table. We're gonna show you all that. But I will catch you on the next one. Guys, all of the materials and supplies, I'll link them down in the description below the video. And as always, guys, thanks for hanging out with us. Go.
Yeah, and it bees like that. Good View Woodworks, getting custom with the craft. Got my angle switching dimensions, I'm different with the math. This that DIY flow, in case you need a helping hand.
So, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It'll put it higher in the queue. And guys, as always, thanks for hanging out with us.